Hi guys, it's your boy Ofentse Ledwaba once again. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. I'm glad that I'm back again with a brand new video, and please, before we go much further, please do not forget to click the like and subscribe button so that you can get much more notification every time I post a new video. Today's topic, guys, I'll be talking about how much do you actually need to start trading Forex. How much do you need to have in your account? How much you are able to deposit into a trading account? And with that, without wasting much of your time, guys, as you know that in this channel we give much more valuable information, and the information that I provide, if you guys apply it to your best knowledge and make sure that you follow the steps and rules, you will definitely become a successful trader. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and families. In that way, we are making sure that many more people can be able to see much more information and be able to trade like the heroes. With the broker that I'm trading with, guys, you are much more fortunate that you can be able to open a micro account. We're smooth. Without further going into more details, guys, just think about it. I know many people, they have always thought that whenever you need to start trading, you need to have a large amount. Some is often thinking of 17,000 rands, which is $1,000 in South Africa. So you need to understand that the broker that I'm using, you can start opening your Forex account with as little as $5. Yes, that's correct. But with the $5, you can be able to open a micro account. So I know you'll be asking yourself, okay, fine, $5, which is equivalent to 70 rands in South Africa, but I'm a Nasdaq trader. How will I be able to trade? Well, with the micro account, you can be able to trade the Nasdaq. The micro account is able to take minimum lot sizes of 0.01. So with that being said, you know that 0.01 is equivalent to 0.10 in some brokers, you understand? So with the broker that I'm using, you'll be using 0.10 in a micro account, you understand? But then when you are using in a different type of trading account, is much more different, especially with the fact that you'll be trading indices which has high volatility. You'll be able to trade Nasdaq and currencies. So you need to be careful that you understand the method of trading and applying your risk management. You cannot overload your account. So with that being said, you'll need a minimum margin level to open in this trades. That being said, what I'm trying to tell you is that you'll need a minimum of $15 to be able to open. So with that being said, it's simply teaching us that you can deposit less money to make money. What I've always thought before I put much more research into this, I always thought you need a large amount. With the minimum of 70 rands, $5, you can open an account. But I will strongly advise you guys to open your trading account with as little as $100. You understand? With the $100, I'll go much more deeper and tell you why I say that. With the $100, you can be able to open a premium account. A premium account which is much more different from the micro account. With the premium account, guys, you'll be able to trade all currencies, commodities, and indices. What I actually like about the premium account, which is you'll be having $100 as a minimum deposit, which is 1,400 in South Africa, that enables you to repeatedly trade. You don't want to deposit and blow your account same time. You understand? Like with the micro account, you can deposit $5 and then you take one trade, it hits your stop loss and you are out. With the premium account, the minimum is $100, but that I'm not limiting. What I'm saying, I'm recommending you guys to start with a minimum of $100. If you have $500, it works better in your favor because you are able to repeatedly trade. Why I want to emphasize that? It will eventually help you to be able to see your mistakes, because you don't want to deposit today and then hit a trade hits your stop loss and then you blow and then you come back and fund after a month. You need to practice as much as possible. One thing I like to compare trading to is a sport. You only get better with time. You only get better with practice. You cannot be a better trader if you don't trade. You just sit a bystander. The best football players are the one who constantly practice, constantly play football. They constantly improve. So you will constantly improve on your trading as much as you trade. The level, the amount of hours you put into the charts. What I emphasize is that, guys, you just need a minimum. But if you are able to deposit a much bigger amount, deposit, but don't deposit all your investments. In fact, invest some of the money in getting knowledge. It will be better to get a mentor, because a mentor is someone who's seen the challenges that you're gonna face before you. With that, helps you to be able to communicate and get and prepare in advance that you will definitely at some point lose money. Understand? You definitely at some point have trades that will hit your stop loss. You definitely have a winning streak week, a winning streak month, a winning streak 3 months, a winning streak 6 months. But imagine you have had a winning streak for 6 months and then eventually a trade hits your stop loss. You need to understand the amount of money that you trade. You can make as much as $100 per day, $200 per day, $1,000 per day. Always set targets according to your risk. You can make money every day. This is why I always advise people that to get involved in forex trading, because it will be a good way of making money online. You need to make money online, because at some point you'll see that whenever you're going to work, you will use physical pressure. You physically go to work. At some point you see that the money that you are making at work is not enough. Learning how to trade is another form of making money online. If you can make $100 a day, you can make $200 a day, you can make $300 a day, you can make $500 a day, and eventually make $1,000 a day, and at some point $10,000 a day. And some instances, you see, we've just had a nice NFP trade and we definitely made a lot of money and our trades were successful. We also have one of our members that made $5,000 within 10 minutes. So you need to understand that whenever your skill is at a peak, you are aware and able to risk the amount of money you are willing to lose. So learn how to trade today. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and start by making $10 a day, $50 a day, $100 a day, $200 a day, and eventually, guys, you will reach your ultimate goal of making $1,000 and even more. You can surpass your set short-term goals. So learn how to put your effort into the market. Put in the hours. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, guys. Share with your friends and family. It's your boy, Ofentse Ledwaba. Catch me in my next YouTube video. Click like, subscribe, share with your friends and family and everyone that you know. Let's take this channel to the top.